Welcome to my watercolor painting channel. Today we are going to paint a beautiful winter landscape. You can use this photo as a reference to draw the cottage. I regret to say that I forgot to record the initial pre-wedding stages of this painting. So I just explained the process that I have done earlier. I pre-wetted the paper 3 or 4 times. Then, using indigo color with more water, I applied a background. This is the process that I have done. Now, what I'm doing is I'm using indigo little bit thicker. That is, it is not so much diluted because already the paper is pooling with water. So I'm using indigo in thick consistency to paint the background. If you notice keenly, you can see that I have tilted my board at an angle of 60 degree so that the gravity plays its role to paint the background of this picture. Now I'm adding another layer of indigo, which is in butter consistency. Yes, it is very thick consistency than the previous layer. At this stage of this painting, if water gets pooled at the corner of the tape, just use your cloth or tissue to remove those excess water so that you can prevent any formation of cauliflower effect. I love painting this background because it is so relaxing and calming for myself. After doing the background, let the paper to dry completely, and also don't forget to remove any excess water that is collected at the corners of the paper. Now, using indigo, which is very diluted, I'm painting the shadows that is on the snow. Now I'm painting the cottage using Naples yellow, and for darker shade I'm using burnt umber. Next, I mixed my own grey with the remaining colors in the palette and painted this other side of the cottage, and I let it to dry. After that grey area got completely dried, I apply a glaze of Naples yellow over it. Using acrylic white, I splatter them to form the snowfall effect. Now I'm drawing the tree near the cottage. I want to give some tips here. That is, if you hold the brush nearer to the bristle, you can form thick lines. Suppose if you want to form very thin lines, you should hold the brush further away from the bristles. Next, add some pine trees and also the snow over the pine trees using the white acrylic paint. That's the end of this video. I guess you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Take care. Bye bye.